Hi everyone, this is the editor from Robin Hood Dashcam. I wanted to first thank everyone who's watched, subscribed and contributed to the channel this year. It's been somewhat of a rocky year for all of us, and I hope the videos provided some light relief and entertainment. And if you discovered us during lockdown, welcome aboard and we're glad to have you. Last year I made a Christmas bonus video with all the clips that ended up on the cutting room floor, and I wouldn't normally use them. It proved to be quite popular, so well, I've made another one. If you're after your usual dashcam video, this isn't it unfortunately, but they'll recommence in the new year. There will be another video out next week which will feature the best clips of 2020, so keep an eye out for that. Well, that just leaves me to say Happy Christmas, Happy Holidays, have a wonderful Christmas and New Year from everyone at Robin Hood Dashcam. Enjoy the video.
You're very welcome. Oh dear. Jealous. I should go out for a drink. I won't mind a beer.
That feels like winning. So roll with it and turn today into Wednesday with a scratch card. Make today a Wednesday with a scratch card for the National Lottery. Your numbers
Alarm's gone off.
So dream big. Comes to business meetings.
Oh,
some
dear.
things never change. Like the crumbling realization that you were too busy scoffing custard creams.
I do think dealing with the knife crime issue that we've got at the moment
Oh,
should be an
dear.
absolute priority.
What effect do you think it would
We've
have
been
on
towed.
someone who has suffered childhood?
What does it say on the back of that BMW? Don't follow me, I do stupid shit. Well, now's your moment, go prove it. I've got the wheel spin off this van next to me for some reason. Oh, he's having an amazing time. Oh yeah, just let your dog run into the street. Where have you come? Oh. Fucking hell. Is that Ralph Wiggum with a split? I think it is. Oh, that's brilliant.
Okay.
Whoa. Got coal rolled by a bus.
Perfect hue of green red. Ian.
Well, what are you honking for, mate? It's a traffic jam. Seems a bit unnecessary, to be honest.
Oh, Billy! Billy!
It's Victoria Road and then it's one off the side of that.
We're following the doctor. Whoever said to me a few videos ago that Uber don't have any branding? Well, there's the Uber branding on the side of that BMW, and there's the private hire plate. So there you go. It's the city of Wolverhampton, so it's not Nottingham, but there you go. Someone a while ago, I forget who it was, said Uber don't have branding and don't have plates. Yes, they do.
Sure, they've got the mold now. And now it's, of course, well...
Did we indicate? It's a posh car, looks expensive, or indicate as an extra? Must be.
Can do that. The question is always...
Well, that's something you don't see on the road every day. This is the biggest fairground horse I've ever seen in my life.
Surfboard Church.
Oh, yeah.
actual hell has happened to the back of that? Yeah, figure that out. Just someone, please.
Bloody bird. Seriously.
Let me do a 3-point turn. There's a driving instructor parking on double yellows. Is that the best message to be giving?
Young songwriter. Your weather, a dry day with plenty of sunshine, however it will feel chilly with a high today of 10 degrees Celsius.
Aww.
Well, there are problems.
Why is this lane? I drove past this the other day. Why is this lane blocked off?
Don't know, because they're not doing it today.
Look, try and figure that out. Why is that blocked off?
Unless they're putting it there ready for it to start tomorrow tonight.
It's been there for a few days. It's like a small thing at the side of the road, but I have no idea why that's there. Totally pointless.
We are people with purpose.
You lost your E, mate.
This is in audio form. As I speak, globules of
I'm drenching that biker.
Yeah, you are.
Oh, Jesus. It's an ice cream property van.
Yeah. They have hundreds and thousands of properties.
Hundreds and thousands, very good. Yes, thank you. Fair enough. Well, this car spot's a little bit different in McDonald's drive-thru, and in front of us is a 2003 Vauxhall Vectra V6. Sounds quite nice. Got a custom exhaust on it. I know people are going to hate on it because it's a Vauxhall and it's boring, but it's V6. It's pretty cool. I like it. What even is that? I've never seen that brand before. I've been behind some lovely cars in my time. I've also been behind some absolute heaps. This one is a very unique, very unique specimen. This one, very tidy.
That bag just ran a red light.
Good another vote.
Skeggy.
We found the skeggy van.
The skeggy van.
Please have your ID ready.
COVID-19 testing.
That's a testing zone, is it? I didn't know that was there. Let's go around this.
Testing zone. Yeah.
Are you crossing the road, or are you not crossing the road? You just walk. All right, you're
Because
social.
you're
You're just
social
social distancing.
distancing.
That's not an issue at all. Let's go around them. Let's be safe and sorry.
God, it's been ages since I've been a bit.
Something's missing from the back of this lorry. There's always one in shorts, isn't there? Even though it's absolutely freezing out there, there's always one in shorts.